exercise 4.3 का क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, if a upon b equal to 7 upon 3, then find twice a square plus 3b square upon twice a square minus 3b square, and second a cube minus b cube upon b cube, and third 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. So first a upon b equal to 7 upon 3. A upon b equal to 7 upon 3. Therefore, squaring both sides, a square upon b square. 7 का स्क्वायर 49 and 3 का स्क्वायर 9. 49 upon 9. Now we have to find twice a square plus 3b square, means multiplying both sides by by 2 upon 3, means a square upon b square into 2 by 3 is equal to 49 upon 9 into 2 by 3. Therefore 2a square upon 3b square is equal to 49 into 2 98 upon 9 into 3 27. 9 into 3 27. Now plus minus means by component and dividend property. By component and dividend property, 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 98 plus 27 upon 98 minus 27 by componendo and dividendo property. By componendo and dividendo property. Therefore 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square equal to 98 plus 27. 98 plus 27. 8 plus 7. 16. 16 5 carry 1. 9 plus 2. 11 plus 12. Means 125. 125 upon 8 minus 7 1, and it means 71. Twice a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square equal to 125 upon 71. 125 upon 71. Now second, a cube minus b cube upon b cube. Therefore a upon b equal to 7 by 3. A upon b 7 by 3. Cubing both sides means a cube upon b cube equal to 7 का cube, 7 cube upon 3 cube, 7 cube upon 3 cube. तो 7 का क्यूब आता है 343 e cube upon b cube. 7 into 7, 7 into 7 into 7, 7 into 7 49 into 7 6. 343 upon 3 का क्यूब, 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27. Now we have to find a cube minus b cube. Therefore, by dividend of a cube minus b cube upon b cube is equal to 343 minus 27 upon 27 by dividendo property. By dividendo property. 343 minus 27 upon 27. Therefore, a cube minus b cube upon 343. 343 minus 20. 13 minus 7. 6. 6. 1. 3. 3 minus 2. 1 and 3. 316 by 27. Means a cube minus b cube upon b cube equal to 316 by 27. Now third, seven a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. A upon b 7 by 3. Here 7a and 9b. Multiplying both sides by 7 by 9 means a upon b into 7 by 9 equal to 7 by 3 into 7 by 9. Therefore, 7a upon 9b is equal to 49 upon 27. Plus minus means component and dividend. Therefore, 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equal to 49 plus 27 upon 49 minus 27 by componendo dividendo property. By componendo dividendo property. Therefore, 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equal to 49 plus 27. 9 plus 7, 16. 16, 6. Therefore, 4 to 6 and 7. And 76 upon 9 minus 7, 2. And 4 minus 6, 2. 76 by 22. 76 by 22. Therefore, 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equal to, if we divide numerator and denominator by 2, then we get 2 3 is 6 and 2 8 is 16, 30. 2 1 is 1 means 76 by 20. 76 by 22 means 38 by 11. 38 by 11 means 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b equal to 38 by 11.